Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I guide to remove the member from the celebration or group on the DrawNames Secret Santa app. So if you want to remove the member or a person from the DrawNames Santa app, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the DrawNames app on your device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, open the DrawNames app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of DrawNames, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar, which is celebration, gift finder, wish list, menu, and all. So click on the celebration section, and here you'll see the option of settings. Like I can add the celebration section, and here you'll see various option of change the event date, change the gift amount, change celebration venue, adverts, or remove member. So click on the option of remove member, and from here you just need to select the member which you want to remove. So I'll simply select a random one, and from here you click on the option of remove, and it says are you sure you want to remove the member's name, and click on the option of I'm sure, and by doing this you'll be able to remove the member from your group or the celebration. So that's it. That's how you can remove the member for DrawNames. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.